This is an R tutorial. Got 2 minutes? Learn some statistical programming in R. What is a function anyway, and how does it input and output stuff? If you have trouble, check out the tutorial how to use a function and read the help files in R. Then come on back. A function is a block of computer code that performs certain commands based on a set of input instructions. In the R language, you can construct a function the same way you would construct any other variable with the assignment operator. See right there? Let's give this function a whirl. Alright, here's what it does. It adds num.1 and num.2 together, then multiplies that sum by Great Scott, and returns that result, seen here as the last line right before the end of the function bracket. Let's try and run this function. Oh, I didn't put parentheses after the function, so it just printed the code inside of the function to the screen. Let's try it with parentheses. Well, this didn't work because I didn't specify num.1 or num.2 or Great Scott. Let's try it with some actual parameters. Here we go. 2 plus 3 is 5 times 4 is 20. Perfect. You can print the results of your function into another variable. Here's z. Z better be 15. 1 plus 2 is 3 times 5 is 15. Beautiful. The inputs or parameters of a function don't have to be in the same order you see in the function construction up here, so long as you write them out, like I've done here. When you're writing them out, you only have to type as many characters as they can be distinguished from other parameters. So here, I can run it with just typing G, and I don't have to type Great Scott. But look at this. If I type n equals 1 and n equals 2, it doesn't know that this n should be num.1 and this n should be num.2. I have to keep typing until the .o can be distinguished from the .t, because they, at that point, can be distinguished. I can edit a function by putting it inside of the fix function. Here, I'm going to change this and make the default value of Great Scott 5, and then close this, run it again, save it. All right, now I can run this function, and it's going to have the default of Great Scott as 5. 3 plus 6 is 9 times 5 is 45. Perfect. But if I want to specify Great Scott, I can override the default. As a user, I've got the power to override. Now you've got the power too. This has been a work of R.